Everyone, welcome to my channel Mathematics and Magic. So today we'll discuss about coefficient of variance. Before going to details, let us discuss one example. So in the example you can see that there are two teams. Each team attain 6 different terms, and out of 20 each team able to secure the different marks. But if we add all the marks of the two different teams, we'll get that total marks of both the team is 46. Therefore the mean also we may have same. So it is mean is same, 7.6 and 7.6. So the outcome what we get that the average value for both the two teams is same, 7.6. So what is the meaning of this and why we discuss this one? The meaning of this is mean actually represent the entire distribution in one single value. So mean is always a single value, but it is not always comprehensible that or it is not always the last, that means end of all the answer, that if we know only the mean. So only knowing mean will not always help us. Sometimes we need to compare one or more than one series or distributions according to its variability, not according to its average mark. So if we want to find out the variability or variation or different or deviation of both the series, you can see that each deviation from mean of two different distributions or two different teams will not same always. So that means mean is help us only to know the average condition of the particular team, whether it is one or two. So to know more about the distribution, we need to know more than mean, and that is only the purpose of dispersion. And what is the purpose of coefficient of variance? When we want to discuss about the variability of two or more than two series. Now from this example, the outcomes that we can able to pen down, the outcome is, if we want to compare the variability of two series with same mean, if we have same arithmetic mean, then suppose we have same arithmetic mean, then but different or same unit. Here the unit, what they are scoring the marks is unit. We need coefficient of variance. This is the first case. If the mean is same, here the most important point is, if mean same, then how can we compare two distributions about to know their variability. Next point is, what is variability? Variability is what? In a particular distribution, observations may be different than mean in maximum cases. In that case, what happened? Variability means how much the value of a distribution varies from its mean, okay, or mean value or x bar. This is variability. So like if we want to conclude, if we want to know what is the next outcome, how can we solve the problem? So the next point will describe that. The next point is, to support the above two cases, we need a tool which measures the variability being independent of unit, okay, and coefficient of variance fulfill all these cases. So this is the actually formula for coefficient of variance. It is equals to sigma, means standard deviation, by mean, means x bar, into 100. So this is what we have to calculate. What is coefficient of variance? Coefficient of variance is calculated actually in terms of percentage. So whatever the value you get here, it means that out of 100, how many of the particular how much a particular distribution varies from its mean or its standard deviation.